Imagine working at your 9 to 5 for months, probably even years, getting that pit of desperation that just sinks right into your stomach while you're searching for your way out. You're literally banging your head against the wall, sometimes the desk, and when finally you find something that actually works. $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 or more in commission straight to your bank account consistently month over month. But then, after about 4 or 5 months of this, you literally start to get bored, right? So you have a little bit of money now, it's some, sort of new lifestyle, a little bit more freedom. And so if this works so easily, what else can you do, right? So you start researching new things, you're taking your foot off the gas, and boom, shiny object syndrome, it's back. It has claimed yet another victim. So the reality is, being a TikTok Shop affiliate is essentially a 100% profit margin business. So you're not buying inventory, you're not handling shipping, you're not dealing with angry customers who are spamming emails at you. You make content, people buy, you get paid for it. It should realistically only take a few hours per day if you actually focus and you know what you're doing. But what most people really don't realize is, yes, the skills that you develop to hit 10K as an affiliate are transferable to other opportunities that could potentially make you 50, 100K, or even, potentially more per month. But you can't stop doing this to pursue those. In 99% of cases, you can't get too far ahead of yourself for your own good, right? So now personally, me, since February of 2024, I've consistently made anywhere from $10,000 to $37,000 per month as a TikTok Shop affiliate. But more importantly, I've used those skills to launch brands, consult for companies, launch this coaching program, right? And now position myself for the next wave of affiliate platforms that are coming while still earning my own personal affiliate income on TikTok Shop the entire time, right? So in this video, I'm breaking down the actual strategic moves that you should consider after hitting consistent 5-figure months as a TikTok Shop affiliate. And most importantly, how do you actually leverage this into bigger and better opportunities, and why thinking beyond just being an affiliate forever, making little videos, could probably change everything. So again, if you're new here, my name is Kade Wiley. So I've helped part-time and also full-time TikTok Shop affiliates build consistent 5-figure and even multi-5-figure monthly income. So if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. So let's get right into it. TikTok as a platform was the very first social media platform to really develop the whole idea of social commerce. And so they did it brilliantly. Like, I don't think it could have been executed any better. The fact that they spent the first year offering insane incentives for consumers so that now they have their credit card in. So on TikTok Shop, all people have to do is click one button on your video. They see the product, they literally hit buy now, and all their information is already in. It takes 3 buttons for somebody to check out. That's genius. However, TikTok Shop is not the end all be all, right? At the end of the day, if you can convert viewers into buyers doing anything, you will make money for the rest of your life, no matter what happens, no matter what platform comes in, no matter what platform leaves. And the reality is, at some point, Meta will launch their own version of this. It's not if, it's a matter of when, right? Because they see all the success that this platform is having. So it's not just going to be Instagram, it's not just going to be Facebook. YouTube is also going to have this, right? So there's going to be a massive shift in the way that people are buying things. For the past 7 to 8 years, there were a lot of people that made millions and millions of dollars running Meta ads for all these brands. And so what you kind of see happening now is a lot of these brands are realizing CPM, which, if you're not familiar, it's basically the cost to show your ad to 1,000 people on Meta or even TikTok, any social media platform. CPMs are rising. Brands are realizing this. And so what's happening is there's more and more of a need for organic content from kind of quote unquote micro influencers, is basically what you are as a TikTok Shop affiliate, right? So it just seems like everyday average people that are talking about products that they personally like. And so as a result, this is only going to get bigger because these brands are starting to realize, wait, I can just send a sample to somebody and they're going to make a video, as opposed to, hey, let me test this ad with no proven concept and then just figure out if it works. So what a lot of brands are also doing is taking organic TikTok Shop content and moving it over to Meta. So slowly but surely, this whole ecosystem is shifting from, oh, these brands are running ads on their own videos, they're doing everything in-house, they're to like, okay, well, let's let all these average people make these videos and we'll let the cream of the crop rise to the top and we will focus on scaling those. So all these other platforms are going to continue to develop this. Social commerce is only getting bigger, and it's entirely redefining how we buy things, how people buy things on the internet, because you're able to get a more realistic expectation, hypothetically, of what you should be expecting, and because it's like more so from real down to earth people, as opposed to making it look like this massive advertisement. So this concept is only going to get bigger and bigger over time. Now, to be completely transparent, thinking this strategically about your affiliate success is exactly what I help a lot of my students in my mentorship program for with TikTok Shop, right? Most people can hit 10K per month in a very short period of time and they start to coast, or more importantly, get shiny object syndrome and try too many things too quickly, and they just forget about posting, right? So, but the students who really change their lives 9-to-5s, start thinking, okay, how do I actually leverage this success into bigger opportunities while still focused on the main thing, bringing in the cash today? For a lot of people, TikTok Shop can turn into your 9-to-5, right? So to be fair, this level of strategic thinking is not for everyone. It's for people who see affiliate marketing as a stepping stone to bigger things and not necessarily the final destination, right? So if you do want help thinking strategically about your next moves after hitting months on TikTok Shop, consistent 5, 10, 15K months, the link is going to be in the description. So again, whether you work with me or not, you need to start thinking bigger than just being an affiliate, making all of these videos on TikTok Shop. But anyways, back to the content. And the interesting part too is with TikTok Shop affiliate, what you're really learning is how to translate these viewers into buyers, but you're also in a way of creative strategist, right? So one of the biggest things that I see across the board that I focus on myself that I talk about in my program is why are all these things working? So when you start to understand why these videos are working, why these angles are working, how do you find the angles to take, what style of content should you make, you're really just basically your own creative strategist. So something I've been seeing a lot more in the past couple months is ads are getting easier and easier to make with AI. It's not going to be long before you're not going to need any UGC people to make videos. So what's really going to be the thought process behind making all of these ads? Where you're going to need somebody to actually plan all of this stuff out. Hence where a creative strategist comes in. So this is also lending the opportunity to work for many of these brands, not even just as the person in the video, but the strategist in the brain behind what they need to do to scale their brand. Because as ads get cheaper, as ads get easier to make, what are you left with? Well, you're left with the brain of the operation behind how do we market our product? How do we stand out from competitors? How do we make the best videos possible, right? So you're able to take these skills as a TikTok Shop affiliate and apply them to basically any other avenue, right? And so not only that, you're able to apply that. For example, all these brands, they need organic content. They're going to need to hire people. If you look at a lot of the organic content for brands right now, there's a massive discrepancy between the people right now that are running social media for these brands and what you see from TikTok Shop affiliates. The corporate-esque people that are running these organic social media account for brands, sorry if one of them watching right now, but they're really bad. They're just not in touch with what's working right now. So there's a massive discrepancy and there's also a massive skill gap that you can come in and take advantage of that, right? So again, applying what you know to different industries is going to be a huge opportunity. Not only that, so the affiliates on TikTok Shop, you are the backbone of what these brands are doing. They can't scale without you. It could be the best product in the world, but if there's not quality affiliates, they're not going to scale. They can throw all the money in the world behind it, but if there's not good creatives, good affiliates behind what you're doing, what they're doing, they're not going to scale, and therefore you're not going to make any money as well. So what happens when you apply this skill set and actually do it and apply it to your own brand? Most people don't know this, but a lot of the orders that you're generating on TikTok Shop oftentimes are translating to 3 to 4 times the amount of orders just on Amazon. That doesn't even include repeat buyers. So if as an affiliate, you're generating $100,000 in revenue for a brand, or GMV in the case of TikTok Shop, realistically, you are probably generating over $1 million in lifetime value. Like that's not out of the question, especially if it's supplements or something that people are reusing, beauty and personal care. You probably over the span of 1 to 2 years generated around $1 million of lifetime value for a brand. And put that in perspective. Now, instead of getting a 20% commission, now maybe you have 40% profit margins and you're creating something long-term with exitable value. So here's where your skills as an affiliate can really start to expand and not get stuck in this trap of, oh, me just make videos. That's it. Don't expand to anything else. And not only that, one of the easiest ways to actually start to expand is just building a personal brand. And I'll give you an example. You've probably seen him. That's probably the reason why a lot of you are here right now is you guys have seen my student Danny, right? So Danny, he started his personal brand from nothing. And so at the time of making this video, he's at, I think, 30,000 followers. He started from nothing. And so he took the skills that he learned that I helped him with TikTok Shop and he applied that to other areas. And guess what? If you watch a lot of his TikTok videos where he just talks about his journey, his personal brand, etc., it's all the same frameworks and principles as TikTok Shop, right? So not only that, but you're building yourself as a person. I'll give you an example. I don't want to say the numbers. This is his information, but he was able to get a few $1,000s for a couple of videos for a brand outside of TikTok Shop, right? So you get more opportunities than you know what to do with when you learn how to apply this skill. But again, all of it comes back to being a successful TikTok Shop affiliate. If you know how to make videos, it's the same framework, whether you're talking about yourself, talking about TikTok Shop products, building a brand, whatever it may be, it's all the same principle. It comes down to the skill as a TikTok Shop affiliate that you can learn how to be your own personal brand. So it's really cool to see Danny and a lot of other people, they're starting to scale their personal brands all off of the back of the information that I've taught and helped them learn with TikTok Shop. And now they're applying it and running with it in a million different directions. And it's really cool to see. And not only that, you're really just future-proofing your income. And again, TikTok Shop probably won't be here forever. Kind of the same way you saw, I don't know, MySpace come and go. You've seen Twitter come and go. Now it's, labeled as X, but it's really not as big as it was for the most part, right? right? And so TikTok, will it be here forever? Probably not, but you're really future-proofing your income. Again, when it comes down to the skill of when you learn how to get people to buy anything from the internet, you can make money for the rest of your life. And I always ask people this simple question, right? And if people are worried, oh, will you be able to make money online forever? There's two questions that it comes down to. The first question is, are people going to be more online or less online in the next 10 years? I don't know about you, but you look around and everybody's staring at their phone all day long. Anytime they get one awkward gap in their day, they'd rather look at their phone than just sit on the couch. So more people are going to be online in the next 10 years. Now, the second question is, are people going to be buying more or less things online in the next 10 years? I don't know about you, but I see all the Boscovs, the Bontons going out of business. Amazon keeps growing. All these online platforms keep growing. So I would say, I think it's pretty reasonable to say that people are going to be buying more online in the next 10 years. So people are buying more. They're spending more time on the internet. This isn't going anywhere. Maybe TikTok Shop changes in the next 5 years. Who knows? But if you learn the skill, again, that's the number one thing I really focus on in my program. I want every single student to understand how big this skill is, not just TikTok Shop. Yes, you could potentially change your life with TikTok Shop in a year. That's great. Take that money and apply it to other things, but you have to get good at the skill first. So if you don't master the skill, you stand no chance of expanding into these other different areas. So that starts with learning to make $5, $10, $15, $20, $30,000 plus per month as a TikTok Shop consistently. And once you master this, then you can take it elsewhere and start to expand and just keep growing as a person and your skill set as well. So I can tell you without any absolute doubt in my mind that this opportunity is bigger than you think. It's probably even bigger than I think, to be 100% honest, right? But the skills that you develop hitting 10K, 20K as an affiliate, content creation, content data analysis, market research, how to actually convert views into buyers, right? These transfer into literally every single online business model, right? And so that's why my students like Ashley, she didn't just hit 25K months and stop there. She's now one of the coaches in my programs, and actually she got equity in a company because she was the top affiliate for a specific product. And now she's technically a partial owner of that company. Same with Danny. He's absolutely crushing it right now. He's getting paid $3,000 for some simple videos, right? So the reality is affiliate marketing is teaching you the fundamental sales and marketing skills of how you just make money online, period, right? So many people are thinking so small and they're getting caught up in this box in their head, right? So in the next 12 to 24 months, new platforms will launch, new opportunities will emerge, and the people who are already successful affiliates on TikTok Shop will have a massive head start to whatever else continues to grow and expand, right? So if you do want help with making serious money on TikTok Shop, the link is going to be in the description. Click it, watch the video on the site, please watch it the full way through, and book a call where we will map out what your next 12 months could look like as an affiliate on TikTok Shop. So anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see everybody in the next video.